Staff were friendly and a room was ready for us prior to check-in time, which was fabulous after our long trip from Australia. Location was great. The hotel was very close to Westminster Bridge with public transport right outside the door.
Check-in procedure needs to be seriously reviewed. It takes far too long because the reception member after checking in each person leaves the reception to accompany the person, family etc. downstairs to put their luggage in the storage until their rooms are ready.
The beds are very comfortable. The apartment is clean and spacious with a good kitchenette. Daily housekeeping is good. There is free laundry at the basement with 3 washers and 3 dryers.
My only issue was that the main bed sheets weren't clean when we arrived. Lots of body hair from the previous occupant was all over the sheets. This was rectified quickly by the housemaid who was in the hallway and changed the sheets immediately when I approached her about it.
The staff were so helpful, and that includes all staff. The room was very well equipped with a kitchenette. Rooms were serviced daily and completely refreshed.
The check-in procedure is a little slow. We booked 2 rooms for the family and asked for rooms on the same floor. Although they were on the same floor, they were on opposite sides of the lift lobby. The staff should have been more aware of that before they allocate the rooms.